Okay, so we want to demonstrate density, and so we have 2 cups of water. One is cold, one is hot, and I'm gonna drop a little bit of food coloring, a little bit of red coloring in the hot water, and a little bit of blue coloring in the cold water. It's gonna take a little bit, especially for the cold one. So the first thing you can notice here is like how fast the coloring dissolves. So you can talk about diffusion and how when things are hot, the particles move faster, therefore the coloring diffuses at a much faster pace. So I'm just gonna speed up the mixing a little bit here with my fingers to make it a little more uniform. Okay, for the warm one. I don't think I'm gonna do that because the water is too hot. So I heated up some water using one of those electric kettles. So the next thing I want to do is I have this transparency. So I wanna top the hot water to be almost at the rim. Not almost, but at the rim, so that when I put the transparency on top, I leave no air bubbles. In fact, I'm gonna make it flow, like it's basically almost overflowing here. Okay, so I'm gonna slide this transparency so that it creates a seal, and I'm gonna facilitate flipping the hot water with a little protractor I have here, and I hope I don't fail at this because this water is super hot. Just gonna flip it. Okay, so hot water is on top, cold water is on the bottom, and I'm gonna pull the transparencies and unfortunately I got an air bubble, so I don't know if this is gonna work. And as you can see, the 2 cups of water are now technically like sitting on top of each other without any membrane in between them, and there is absolutely no mixing that's happening. So very cool demo for density. If you wait long enough, of course, things are gonna start mixing. Okay, then can you come and hold the camera here? Okay, hold it. So I'm gonna flip this to demonstrate how things would be mixing if the cold water is on top and the hot water is on the bottom. As you can see, the colors immediately mix. and the hot one ends up on the top again. So very cool. Okay, stop. Okay. If you shift the glasses and air bubbles going, it's still keeping. Wow, that's still keeping the colors. It's so amazing. Keep it on the table. So cold water stays on the bottom, hot water stays on the top. Okay.